Hello friends, welcome to the Avatar channel. Kindly like and subscribe to the Avatar channel. We are going to discuss about the laptop. Uh, what kind of laptop you should be purchased till time in the market. There are the several kind of laptop with the different kind of the configurations are available in the market. And also whenever go in the market, the executives ask many type of questions to us, what kind of the configurations you want in your laptop, and processor i3 i5 i7, and what kind of operating system you like in your laptop, dos and ios and microsoft window. And we should be know about all of this, and answering to the executive that kind of laptop we should be need uh, in or according to our uses. There are also desktop available in the market, because the which is cost we purchase a laptop in that cost about 30% less, we can take a desktop with that kind of configuration which we need in the laptop. But matter is that we cannot move the desktop from one place to another place, and also its consumption about the electricity is too much as compared to the laptop. And but have the same configuration and work just like a laptop work. Desktop work especially is a good strength uh, according to our needs which we want in the laptop. But till time the laptop is better, because it moves easily from one place to another place, and we show our projects and other our needs demanding in the market easily on the laptop. uh, First of all, that we should be take good processor in the laptop. If we want to purchase the laptop under the cost of 20,000, the AMD processor is the best processor, because the Intel is also a good processor, but his under 20,000 laptops is not good, performance is good, but AMD processor is going good performance and low of cost according to the Intel processor. The two companies, AMD processor is best, and the Intel processor is best. But if we have the budget above the 20,000 and we want the graphics in our laptops, and that's something that we should be to take the Intel processor. It is the best processor in the market. uh, there are the different kind of the processor in the market. We can say the dual core processor. The dual core processors have the two cores built in the processor, and I-core 3 processor, that is also have the 3 cores in this processor. I-core 5 have the 4 cores, and I-core 7 according the approximate the 6 cores in built in the processors. We should be know about the cores. Cores is the move the speed which provide over the processor is higher. Which cores higher? The processor speed is higher. Cores mean we will set is a as example. When we intake a food from one mouth, it take much time. But if we have the that same food want to eat but have the two mouths, the consumption of food is easily in short of time we can consume that. Like if we have the three mouth and four mouth, easily consumption in the short of time we will be consume that food and digest that food. And that is the processes working depend on the cause. And also iCore 7, iCore 5, iCore 3 have the different kind of generation. Now the time is ninth generation is running with the processors. The generation means the nano transmitters are inbuilt, are you have see the processor have the installed with the nano transmitters. Day by day the Google is going to do, reduce the size of the data transmitters through which we have low consumption or electricity, and laptop have give the long time uh, from the or battery, and choose low consumption from the battery, and our battery backup is going much better if we use the good generation uh, processor. Mostly we should be take the 8th generation, 5 above the 5th generation, give the good backup from the battery. Just like the SSD card now available in the laptops, and HDD system, hard disk drive system. The hard disk drive system work a floppy is running in between the hard disk, which store all of the data we will transmit in the data hard disk, and whenever it rotate, we will explore our data. But the SSD card having the chip system, the chip system is the better, uh, provide us the quality of we can say the speed, better speed explore in our storage systems. As we can discuss about the RAM. The RAM is the system which circulate the store memory to the processor, and processor work easily if we use the 4 GB and 8 GB RAM. The processor easily work and give you the better performance, because but it is also sure the motherboard is compatible with the RAM of 4 GB and 8 GB, because 8 GB RAM, if we use the 8 GB RAM but processor have the i3 generation, then the processor take the low storage from or stores data, and cannot give us the better performance. If you use the 8 GB RAM, it is sure that we should be use the good processor which give and circulate the better work performance, and we also use the gaming on the 8 GB RAM and i7 processor with the help of the graphics, because the now the time जो gaming there are the different kind of games now the time is moving in the running in the internet, just like the Minecraft use a 60 GB memory of the hard disk and the SSD card. So if they use much more memory, we cannot store another works on the laptop. So we should be good configured, and processor is not work properly uh, if we store just and play the game just like on our laptop. So we should be good configured i5 or i7 processor used in our laptop, and 8 GB with the 8 GB RAM. So friends, I have discussed all about the good configured laptop, and you use according to your need this kind of laptop you need. Okay, thank you friends.